Hey, this is Vishal Sarkar here from publicspeakingbangalore.com. Now I had a small informal meeting with my friend Akash.
Hello.
And Vijit.
Hi.
Now I just wanted to think, I didn't ask you guys, but you know, just your random thoughts. Why do you think we have meetings? Anybody?
We have clear ideas, we have mutual understanding.
Okay. Clear ideas, mutual understanding. Akash, what do you think?
I think
people have meetings?
People have meetings because they want to discuss
Right.
what they have in their mind and put it on paper and get more clarity on what they want to say or get to know.
Yeah.
So by doing that, you come to know exactly what is in another person's mind,
Yeah.
how you can mutually help each other. So this is the point of
Exactly. You know, if I wrap up everything which Vijit and Akash said, it's a discussion that you discuss. It's not somewhere where you show who you are. Okay, it's a place where you discuss what you have in mind and how it relates to the other person. Correct?
Yep.
Okay. Now, same thing with public speaking, buddy. How? Well, most people think, okay, I need to go there and, rock and show them that I'm the man. Good, dude, you don't have to do anything like that. All you need to do is just go there every single day. When you speak in your office as a software engineer or whether as a project manager, doesn't matter. You go there in a meeting. Don't think that, they're expecting you to be perfect. They are not. All you need to do is just go there and tell, like Akash said, tell what you have in your mind. Discuss the ideas in a conversational way. Nobody wants you to be perfect. It's all about results. And like Avijit said, it's all about, mutually benefiting. So when they're asking you to speak, they don't want you to be Martin Luther King Jr. They want to hear your ideas. Well, just stand up, give ideas, shut up. That's all you need to do. So next time you give a presentation, don't freak out, but stand out by standing up and speaking up. That's a speaking tip for you for this week. Akash, any tip you wanna add?
No, that's it.
That's it. That's a good tip. Avijit, you wanna say something?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Whenever you are in a meeting, have good coffee and water with you. It keeps your mind refreshed.
And make sure there is a toilet nearby. So this is Vishal Sarkar, your excellence coach, always reminding you that it's not about perfection, it's all about what? Connection. Take care.